Hello, welcome to Yorkshireman Models. This time I'm going to continue building the Tornado gr4 farewell from Revell, a 148 scale kit. It's quite a large kit, a lot of parts, so I've been doing it in stages, and I did a previous video if you want to click on the link, and that's for the cockpit build. I did all the painting, everything all in one in that one. So this time I'm looking at getting the kit together so I can get it to painting stage, and I'll leave you to watch the video. The instructions say refer to number 78, so I did do. I went to 78, and as you can see, F179. So I started looking for, and I thought, I'm sure F's the clear sprue. There's my clear sprue pack. Don't know if you can see it, but there's the F. Right. So I did that, and I'm looking, there's no refill, and I found out after going through all my sprues to look, it's not an F. It's a T. So anybody else who's doing this, it's T if you're going to put that on. Otherwise you'll do what I did and spent 5 minutes looking through all sprues looking for the actual piece. Right, she's finally built, and I've got the moving wings. Ooh, there you go. Tail ones. It's got the drop fuel tanks, bombs, rockets are built. In here I've got my small bits, my undercarriage, my wheels, all the little bits that need adding after. There's part of the windscreen ready to go. All the other little bits here are all part of either the undercarriage or what holds the bombs, rockets, stuff like that. Here's me, still drying, but how I've protected it. That's liquid mass still drying there. If I turn it the other way around too long, it's going to drip onto the actual thing, so keeping it that way, out of the way. As for build, I'm going to be completely honest, it was horrid. It's one of the worst kits I've built. If I had to use all of the filler on it that it probably needs, I'd probably run out of filler. There's lots and lots and lots of areas on it where you just, it's terrible fit, terrible design, horrible locating pins, lots of flash on the actual kit itself once you start getting into it. Some of the parts, when you line them up, they don't line up. Don't matter what you think, they will not line up. The things for actually telling you where, say, this fit or what part it were on the sprues, there is multiple inaccuracies with that. There's loads of parts that are labelled wrong and loads of parts that's showing you where to put them that they just don't fit, they just don't go, they're not, it's horrid. But once you've actually fought all of that and got it together, it doesn't seem that bad a kit in the sense of once it's built. But I'll be honest, if you were coming into this and you wasn't a slightly experienced, and I'm only calling myself slightly because I ain't a very great kind of modeller, but slightly experienced modeller, somebody like me, you'd give up on it. I nearly did myself. I nearly said, no, I'm quitting on this, it's done me head in. But I've stuck at it, now she's built. So that's that stage done. The next stage is going to be the painting, and that's only going to be quick, but I'm going to try and do as much of the weathering involved with the painting at the same time so I can get as much done as possible. Hopefully you'll be around for that stage. Be nice to see you watching another video of mine. Be grateful if you'll subscribe to my channel and give me a like, they all help, and hope to see you next time.